Just like a circle that we can set back in there. Just don't roll it all the way to the ends. Just set it back in there. And maybe this one too.
Do you mind that it's down a little?
Oh, it's not
Good. Nor am I.
Oh, good.
I refuse.
Here we go. 3. You're gonna start to run on 2, 1, explosion. Okay, so let's try that and see if it comes out right.
Triggers the 2 cannons. He's going to pull the rope. That's going to flip all the puzzle pieces up in the air.
How much pressure are you shooting out of these 2 cannons combined?
Well, it's 120 per cannon, so I guess that'd be 240 total. Metal shard or something flying.
Go right there where the floor intersects the floor.
I know. Like all these points and stuff.
Floor lands by the floor. I have to point it out when I notice it. Yeah, that's gonna have to aim down that Lico.
Carl Lefevre will be underneath the bar, and he will yank on this rope. And the leverage caused by this fulcrum will cause this bar to fragment and fly upward. At the same time, I will trigger the blunderbuss, which will shoot a black powder charge out the front, and also trigger these cannons here that are loaded with debris, which is French. And the debris all goes that way. Very exciting.
And 3, 2, 1.
And cut!
Let's go!
Yeah!
There you go, you all right?